Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about why the TubeBuddy thumbnail, which you have been created with a lot of work, sometimes is not being saved, or it just looks like it's not being saved after you made it. And yeah, it has happened already a couple of times. But I think I'm probably not the only one, so I just want to share this idea, or how I realized what happened. Let's say you have everything good and you want to just edit the thumbnail with the TubeBuddy thumbnail creator. You go into the edit mode here, and so here we have the create thumbnail. We click on that and we do the whole thing. We can do from a still frame whatsoever, and we continue and continue and continue, and at the end we make save. Okay, we go out after we saved that, so at the end you have something like save and close here, and then we get back to this screen. But the thing is, you don't see your new thumbnail here. It won't be here. It's just saved in the background. So the thing is, now you are back on this screen and you see these save changes, okay? But that doesn't mean that it will save your newly created thumbnail from TubeBuddy, but it's instead, if you click on save here, it will overwrite the newly created thumbnail from TubeBuddy with the old one, which you have already here. Okay, so you instantly destroy or overwrite or delete the new thumbnail with the old one. You click save and then go back, and after that you are surprised why the new thumbnail is not here. So don't click on save here. Just again, I go to this picture again. So don't click save. Even when it's blue highlight, it doesn't mean that there are unsaved changes. So usually I would expect that it's only blue when there are unsaved changes, but this is not the case. You can just, after saving it within the TubeBuddy thumbnail creator menu, in this window, you just you save it there, and then you go back to the video manager using this return arrow and not using save changes. And that's the thing. So it's pretty simple when you know how to deal with that. So if you had the problem already, same way as I had. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit to avoid this problem in the future. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.